Originally launched in 2022. Your boy is about 2 years late, but when we talking about a nice tropical banger for the summertime, Porthole by Loumari is definitely at the top of the list right now for your boy. Let's get straight to it.
It's a couple Jordan 1 retros and they gotta be in your collection. You just collect them, you never gon' step in. I can respect it, but that ain't for me. I gotta lace up these black cement threes and throw a little fit together. Get on the go out, place a bid, and hopefully I can just hit forever. I'm from the bottom, a little wanna ride, but this part about culture, you gotta be fly. Ralph Lauren with the Air Forces, put that shit on to the day that I die. Nikes over Adidas.
What's going on, everybody? It's your boy, DaRetroWizKid, the shoeologist, and y'all rocking with your boy in the sneaker dungeon, y'all. Hope everyone's having a great day today. Today, y'all, we're taking a look at Porthole Loumari, man. Now, this one right here, you know, I might be messing up and butchering the name and everything like that, but I've been hearing so much good stuff about this, and I've already told you guys, I blind buy a lot of scents based off of notes. I like to read about the notes. I watch reviews on them to find out, you know, kind of how they smelling, and I just kind of like do my little research in the Facebook groups and stuff like that, and I see, because most of the time based on notes is what I'm gonna like, man. If I like certain notes, I'm willing to go ahead and blind buy it. Now, don't get me wrong, I have decanted certain scents just to make sure that I actually like them, but for the most part, it's easier for me to just go into the store, smell it. If I like it, then I'm gonna buy it. If I spray it on myself, and then I'm like, all right, let me walk around, see how it dries down over time. But at the end of the day, man, a lot of the scents that I do buy, they are blind bought, and I'm gonna just keep it real with you guys, because that's just how your boy rock. But today we looking at Porthole by Loumari. Box presentation was on point. Finally was able to secure this, man. I ain't gonna lie, everywhere where I seen where people was buying it, either it was on back order or, you just gonna have to pay to play, man. You could go overseas to Harris and buy a bottle and stuff like that, and then pay that shipping to get it to the States and stuff like that. But I was able to secure this one, man, and huge. I was able to use Curly 10 to save. I got this off a Scent Split, so I was able to save a little bit of money on it as well. And I did 2-day shipping on it, and it said that it was gonna take 2 weeks, but I actually got it in the 2 days. So super fire, man. I actually wore this on my G-Day. This was my G-Day scent for my G-Day, you feel me? So right here we have the Loumari Paris, and you guys can see that. I'll let you guys look at the box and everything like that. I'm sorry, y'all might hear Ari snoring, man. She down here snoring, man. I wonder if y'all can hear her snoring. But then when you open up the box presentation is very nice, man. Gives you a luxurious type box presentation. Not just the basic box where you open it and boom, there's the cologne. I do like the fact that they have like this little pull so that you can pull the bottle out. Now, when I tell you that this scent is on point, G, this scent is fire to me, man. Man, it's very fruity, very sweet smelling. I mean, you can't go wrong with it, man. Let's take a little look at the note accords. So right here we have Loumari. Now this is a unisex scent. I love the way that they have like the boat on there and everything. It just looks so dope, man. This bottle looks dope. Gold cap on it. Now the main accords, when we talking about the main accords on this one, this originally released, as I said, in 2022. The nose behind this one right here is Kamardin. I'm probably pronouncing that wrong. Kamardin. But the top notes are pineapple, sea salt, bergamot, and laudanum. And then you have the middle notes are passion fruit, white blossom, and ginger. Base notes are white musk, caramel, and woodsy notes. Now, I'm going to keep it a buck with you guys. I get the citrus. When I smell this one right here, I get the fruity, and I even get the caramel. I ain't even going to hold you. It's not woody to me at all. I don't get the woody accords in this one that they say that they have, but this one right here is definitely fire in the heat, man. It's not too hot out here in the PNW right now. We've been flying around about the 70s, but this one right here is a banger, man. And when I tell you, nice little tip for you, if you like to layer, this one right here can be layered with Pacific Chill. It does give a Pacific Chill type vibe to me. If you've ever smelled Pacific Chill by LV, this one is nice. And I'm gonna be honest, on my G-Day when I wore this, I did layer it with the Louis Vuitton Pacific Chill, and I'm telling you, it was a banger. When I tell you about 6 to 8 hours when it comes to performance, of course, spraying on the clothes will make it last longer. Spraying on the skin, it probably became like a skin scent. But I'm gonna be honest, when it comes to skin scents, I spray on my skin, but most of the time, 95% of the time, I'm also spraying my clothes, man. And I'm not talking about directly spraying it, but like spraying my clothes so that my clothes smell like it as well, so that it lasts a little bit longer as far as the projection. But I have gotten compliments on this one. I've worn this one a couple times to work now. Got a couple compliments on this one at work. And I'm telling you, man, it's definitely a vibe. It's worth picking up in 2024, although this did release in 2022. I think that this will always remain a nice classic scent for me to rock during the summertime. I won't even hold you guys. I want to know how it's going to hit in the wintertime as well, just because of its tropical fruity type smell. But I definitely would say for the spring, for the summertime, this one right here, Porthole by Loumari, you cannot go wrong. Y'all comment down below. Let me know if you guys have rocked Porthole by Loumari, or if you've ever smelt it. If you smelt Pacific Chill, let me know if you feel like Pacific Chill kind of gives the same type of vibe in a way with this one right here. And if you have Pacific Chill and the Porthole, layer them and let me know. That's when you will see, like, because you can pick up both scents and you can tell the difference in them, but they are very similar. But that's today's video, man. We talking about the Porthole by Loumari, man. Y'all comment down below. Let me know y'all's thoughts and opinions on it. Let me know what scents I should try out that you guys would like me to review. If there's any scents that you would like me to review, comment them down below. Let me know all about what you guys been rocking for the summertime. And stay tuned, because we got a banger, nice little hybrid that I got sent over by my bro Joe. And then also I will be giving you guys another, you know, little tips and tricks as far as copping some of the more higher end when it comes to like things like Louis Vuitton, mainly Louis Vuitton. I'm gonna just keep it a buck, you know what I'm saying? But y'all already know the vibes, man. Make sure if you guys are new to the channel, y'all hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. To the next video, peace, love in Laguna Beach, and we out this thing. Yeah!
It's a couple Jordan 1 retros and they gotta be in your collection. You just collect them, you never go stepping. I can respect it, but that ain't for me. I gotta lace up these black cement threes and throw a little fit together. Get on the go, out, place a bid, and hopefully I can just hit forever.